Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. And I want to apologize to everybody about not having any tutorials out there lately. My health hadn't been very good. So I'm making this stuff and giving it away, put as much as I can out at the moment. If you get it, it'll be in titles. Look for SDS Color Wave Text. Just a pretty basic title. Really nothing to explain in the controls. They're all self-explanatory. I did want to show it though. And if you want it, like I said, it'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.